Hi everyone, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Thanks very much for joining us. Today I want to talk about the new Vodafone Platinum 7. A massive thank you to Vodafone for sending me this. And today I want to talk about the sound and vision on this phone. So I always do these videos, but this phone really packs a punch. This is because it's got two dual front-facing speakers and it gives us a great audio experience. Instead of a downward-facing or a backward-facing one, they've put them on the front here and it sounds absolutely fantastic. So it reminds me of the HTC Boom sound, which we did have on the M9 and M8 and M10 of course. But this just sounds a real punchy beat, sounds really great, loudspeaker, which I'm going to demonstrate with a movie trailer and some music. Also on this phone you're going to find a 3.5 jack, so you can plug in your headphones, and of course you can have wireless headphones or Bluetooth headphones as well. So the screen, this is a 5.5 inch AMOLED display, which makes it really stunning. So if you can actually get to see one of these phones, make sure you go and try it out. For myself, being registered blind, the screen is lovely and bright. I do need it at its brightest, and I do find the 5.5 inch size as well perfect for me, as I do use an iPhone 6s Plus, which is the same size. Screen wise though, this is far better. But with Apple due to be moving into an AMOLED display from next year, we'll be able to see and compare more when the new device comes out. So for this video, I jump into the Google Play Store and we're going to watch a movie trailer to start off with. So the movie trailer I want to show you is for Goosebumps. Goosebumps had great books when I was younger. I used to love reading their books. And they made it into a film, and Jack Black is in this as well. So I'm going to hit play and we're going to sit back and watch the trailer for this, and I hope you enjoy the display and the sound. It sounds really good as well. So I'm going to hit play here. I'm going to turn it into landscape.
Are you positive that there weren't any other places looking for vice principals?
You promise you give it a shot?
I promise. And I looked into it. Legally, I can't live on my own until I'm 18.
So, you're the new neighbor?
Yeah, I'm Zach, by the way.
I'm Hannah.
Get away from the window now!
I gotta go.
Hi. Hey, we're just moving in.
You see that fence?
Yes.
Stay on your side of it.
He's a big teddy bear.
Don't take it personally. He doesn't really like anyone.
Yeah. Mom, Hannah's in trouble.
Oh, who's Hannah?
She's locked in this house, and her dad's a psychopath.
Does she have a friend? The Abominable Snowman of Pasadena? These are all Goosebumps manuscripts. Why are these books still locked? Did you unlock a book?
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'll put it back where it belongs. Look, here it is.
No, don't open it!
Nobody make a sound. The Abominable Snowman just crawled out of a book. That doesn't just happen.
You just released every monster I've ever created. What was that? It's the Invisible Boy.
Ow!
He's such a cracker.
The only way to stop them is to suck them back into the books.
You've read them all, right?
Yeah.
If we know their weaknesses, we can capture them all.
We're the only ones who can do this.
Oh my god, how'd you do that?
Sore fillings. I had a ton of cavities. When I was 10, I didn't brush my teeth for a whole year.
Alright, everyone, find anything you can to barricade the doors.
Do not let the monsters inside.
I just wanna break the rules. What are you doing? Get me out! No. Keep going.
Come on, scaredy cat.
Gnomes? Maybe they're friendly. Oh, not friendly. Definitely not friendly.
Doesn't that just sound fantastic? I've never heard a device like this sound so good. Really pleased. When I first listened to a song on it, I was like, whoa, that doesn't sound like a Vodafone. Remember, Vodafone actually come up with these devices and make these devices. Moving on from the past, like the Prime 6 and the Ultra 6, the Platinum 7 sounds absolutely fantastic. And that is because of these dual stereo front-facing speakers here. Also, like I said, you do have 3.5 jack, so you can listen to it through headphones, but why would you when it sounds that good? So also I like to talk about some music as well. So everyone knows from my previous videos I'm a big fan of the old 90s music, Clubland music. What I'm going to do is 100% Clubland here. We're going to listen to a couple of tracks from this one, and then I'll jump into a couple of tracks from a little bit of Now 93 as well. Even songs with great beats behind it, like it has real lot of bass and depth in that song, really comes through with these speakers. I'm very impressed. One of the best phones I have reviewed for a long time, with the speakers sounding so great and so enjoyable. It makes my iPhone look very dismal. Samsung Galaxy S7 does have that one bottom speaker. It does sound very good, but compared to these two on the front here, you're going to get a much better sound and a much better quality and enjoyment as well from your music and videos. We've got a little mix song here, Secret of Love, so let me just play that.
It just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep, but I'll never show it on my face. But we know this, we got a love that is whole. Like, can you hold me? Can I kiss you on the dance?
So just pausing that there, and let's jump back home. So let me know what you think. I know it's not the best way of hearing these phones, but make sure you go into store, go and check it out, go and listen to it for yourself. You'll be very, very surprised. I'm hoping that the sound quality does come through as good as it can do for you. So let me know what you think down below, first of all for the video and for the phone as well. So that was the Vodafone Smart Platinum 7. All videos will be on our channel, links will be in the description as well, and also we've got a new clickable end trail so you can click through to them videos if you so want to. Thanks always for watching. Please give a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.